Leave my thoughts on the
Ya Ahmad Rifai, angkah tuka wa zawat tuka mahtubataka gadisa Veronika muwaliyati biwaliyil hakim bimahri atawati sholati wa asrati malayina rupiatin wa asrati jarom min dahabin halan. Saudara Ahmad Rifai, saya nikahkan dan saya kawinkan kau dengan saudari Gadisa Veronika, dengan kau telah memberikan mas kawin kepadanya berupa seperangkat alat sholat, uang 10 juta rupiah, dan emas 10 gram dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Gadisa Veronika bagi Bapak Sudarsono untuk diri saya dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
Can you be like a drone straight from a song that I've known all along? Can you take the islands just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms, tearing up roses as daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want. Hold me up with your bare hand, like some pillar of God, on this road that you wander, burning like some bottle rocket. Let me fight for your honor, raise a wall for your truth, build it up like a fortress, wave the flag when I come home to you. Like an angel in white on the way, and you'll be like a door straight from a song that I've known all along. Can you take the islands just pulling apart the waves as I fall into your arms, tearing up roses and daylight approaches, just hoping to be what you want. Can't leave it unsaid now with you right